Earthquakes are primarily caused by the movement and interaction of Earth's tectonic plates. These plates make up the Earth's crust and upper mantle and are constantly shifting and colliding. These plates are driven by convection currents in the Earth's mantle, which transfer heat from the Earth's core to the surface. Earthquakes occur when pressure built up at plate boundaries is suddenly released, causing the ground to shake. One of the critical roles of earthquakes is in mountain formation, which is driven by the collision of tectonic plates. Without earthquakes, we would lose volcanoes, as most are formed at plate boundaries, and tsunamis, which are often caused by underwater earthquakes, would also be significantly reduced. What would happen to our planet if earthquakes never existed? If earthquakes never existed, Earth's crust would likely form one enormous static mass instead of the moving tectonic plates we have today. The Earth would stagnate for billions of years, unable to change, adapt, or grow. The movement of tectonic plates drives convection currents in the mantle, generating heat. Without these currents, the mantle would cool and eventually solidify, potentially turning Earth into a barren and inhospitable wasteland similar to Mars, where geological activity has largely ceased. The distribution of land and water would be drastically different, potentially resulting in a planet that is entirely oceanic or entirely continental. Without the formation of mountains through tectonic collisions, wind would gradually flatten all land over time. The climate would change drastically without the carbon cycle regulation provided by plate tectonics. Some scientists believe Earth could potentially develop extreme conditions similar to Venus without these geological processes. The dynamic environment created by plate tectonics and earthquakes contributes significantly to biodiversity. Mountain ranges, islands, and varied terrains create diverse habitats and ecological niches. Without these geological processes, there would be less geographical isolation, fewer varied habitats, and consequently less opportunity for new species to evolve. The incredible biodiversity we see today might never have developed. Earth's geological activity has been crucial throughout its history. The timeline of our planet shows how geological processes and life have evolved together over billions of years. Earthquakes, despite their destructive potential, are essential signs of a geologically active and living planet. Without them, Earth would be a very different and likely uninhabitable world.